Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable bubble Valentine's Day Deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a 14-inch wreath ring, this adorable heart for the center, 6-inch Deco mesh, and scissors. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my mesh and tie it in a knot on the inner ring. Just like that. And I'm going to make a poof on my inner space, my center space, and my outer space. So I'm making 3 poofs and I'm trying to keep them as uniform as possible. But I mean, they don't have to be the exact same. Scrunch, twist my mesh a couple of times, and then come back to my first space and make another poof, second space, and third, just like that. So all of my poofs are fairly uniform. All right, so I'm going to scrunch and make one more row. So twist my mesh a couple of times, and again come back to my first space, making 3 more poofs. And you can double layer your mesh if you choose to do so, with the same color, with different colors, whatever you prefer. I'm going to twist it a couple of times. Now I'm going to my next section, but I'm repeating the same steps, making 3 poofs, 1 poof in each space. So we're just going to repeat these steps all the way around my ring. Okay, I'm coming to the end of my mesh. So what I'm going to do, cut it off of my roll, twist it a couple of times, and I want to come to my inner ring. That way it'll be a little more hidden, and I'm just going to tie it in a knot, just like our starting point. Alright, so I have another roll of mesh. I'm going to tie a knot right where I left off and continue going on with my poofs in each space until I get to the end of my ring. Alright, and I'm going to just kind of cut the rest of my mesh, make a couple of twists, and then I'm going to come back to the inner ring and once again tie it in a knot and tuck it away. You can tie the knot anywhere inside the wreath ring. Then I just like to kind of like adjust and make sure all of my poofs are so cute and precious. If you decided to use 2 layers of mesh, you can separate the layers at this point. I will have videos of that in the description box down below, or you can keep it layered. I did go with 1 row of mesh this time, so it's just a single color, but it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer. Several times I leave the wreath like this because I think it's just so precious, and sometimes I do add an adorable sign to the center. I'm going to add this adorable heart to the center. Usually if I have a heavier sign, I will use Chanel stems to attach it, but since this heart is pretty lightweight, I'm just going to add some hot glue to the back and attach it directly to my wreath.